In this lesson, you'll learn how to configure your settings for visual treatment records and add treatment records to a client's history. The visual treatment feature allows you to record where clinic treatments have been applied on a client. Treatment records are also linked with your stock-in shortcuts, so the products entered in a client's treatment history will be automatically deducted from your stock levels. To set up your treatment areas, click on the Setup menu and select Configuration. On the left-hand side, click on General. Click on the down arrow to scroll down, then select Treatment. To add a new treatment area, click on the New button. Then type in the name of the area. Select the appropriate gender from the drop-down list. Next, you'll need to add an image for the treatment area. This image will be used as a form of map to indicate where the client's treatments were performed. Click on the Picture button and select the image. Then click Open. Click Done to save. You can also set up different gender options for the same treatment area by selecting the area and pressing the New button. You can then assign another gender option to the treatment area. When you're finished setting up your treatment areas, click Done to save. You can set up colored markers for services and products that will be used in your treatment records. If you just want to keep service records without tracking product usage, then you can set up colored markers for your services. However, if you're going to be tracking product usage, which we recommend, then you'll need to set up markers for your products. The product markers will override any service markers in your visual treatment records. To set up service markers, go to the Setup menu and select Services. Expand the relevant service category, then select the desired service. Choose a color code for the service from the marker column. If you can't see the marker column, right-click on the column names at the top. Then tick the marker option. Once you've selected a color for the relevant services, click Done to save. To set up product markers, go to the Stock menu and select Products. Ensure that you're viewing your professional products or all your products. Expand the relevant category and line, then select the product. Choose a color code for this product from the marker column. If you wish to display product measurements, select the desired unit of measurement from the Purchase Units column. If you can't see these columns, right-click on the column names at the top, then select Properties and tick the relevant columns. Once you're finished making changes, click Done to save. To record a client's treatment history, ensure that the client is selected, then click on the History button. Select the relevant service, then click on the treatment icon. This screen allows us to add markers onto the treatment areas to record where treatments have been applied. First, select the relevant treatment area, then click on the service you want to add markers for. Click on the image to add a marker. A new window will appear, allowing you to enter details about the treatment. If you've previously added treatment records for this service, the product that was used will be available in the drop-down list. You can select a product from the list, or if the product isn't listed, you can click on the plus sign and select it from the product screen. Enter the batch number if applicable. Then enter the number of units into the dosage field. You can also add treatment notes if you'd like to. Then press Done. The number of units will be displayed on the marker. If a client has had treatments on multiple areas, you can click to select another treatment area, then add more markers as required. Once you're finished adding treatment records, click Done to save. On the client history screen, you'll notice a blue marker will appear next to any services that have treatment records. Now that you know how to set up treatment records, you can easily keep track of your client's treatments.